Hello guys, I just want to do a quick review of this platform, this casino platform guys. This casino is called Punt Casino. As you can see here guys, you can get a welcome package bonus up to $1,500 plus 500 free spins when you invest with this online casino, cryptocurrency casino. As you can see here guys, the minimum investment is $50. Um, Let me see. You can invest with Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, etc. The more spins, the more wins. Bonus 150% bonus up to 1,500 plus 500 free spin. Instant cash out. Lightning has never been this fast. As you can see here, guys, they said Lightning has never been this fast with this casino, cryptocurrency casino. Crypto deposits quick and easy for your convenience. 24/7 live support. Top quality games, 200 plus games with even more coming. This is actually recent casino, so it's not it's you can say that it's new. It's a brand new casino, and so far it's going quite well. Very organized, well structured, and everything, and doing real. It's a real casino, guys. A real casino, nothing to be worried about. You have slots, guys. You have jackpots. You have blackjack. You have roulette, table games, online video poker. Find your next big win. Big jackpots, more play lines, better features. It's all here for you at Punt Casino. As you can see here, guys, the games. You have Bubble Tree, Princess Warrior, Legend of Helios, Park is 7, Miami Jackpots, Wildfire. You have Fog Fortunes. You have Epic Holiday. You have Archleys Deluxe. You have Cash Bandits. You have Which Wins, and very much more games, guys. Let's click more games, and you see them. So these are some of the new ones. You have Jackpot, Fortunate Buddha. You have Plentiful Treasure, Penguin, Palooza. So much more, guys. So much more. So much more. So much more. This is Punt Casino, guys. 1 in a million. You have these are some of the recent winners, guys, who have won. Recently, as you can see here. Persons are winning huge guys with these platforms. Very interesting. Fortunate Buddha has given a lot of winnings. So guys, this is the first review of Punt Casino. Okay. It's unlimited online casino experience to win more at Punt Casino. So guys, this is the first review of Punt Casino. You can get on board. They're about 1 year old. We're going for what I hear now. So after 2022 will be 2 years. This platform is going. It's you can see an independent player, CDS certified, and real-time gaming. So that's really remarkable, guys. They are on Telegram, they're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. That's truly awesome, guys. So this is the first review of Punt Casino. Get on board, guys, with them today and earn your bonus up to 150% bonus on your deposits. See you there.